Today on AMAI, I sent Justin another link. I know we're all
Hey,
surprised. I'm not going to preview this one. I'm going to let Justin take a look.
all right. This is from Rise Sullivan on Twitter. Okay, I'm convinced generative UI is the future. I built this today using Vercel's AI SDK and Posthog. It allows you to talk with your analytics data. All you to do is describe in natural language what you'd like to see and then talk with the results. So let's take a look here at this. Let's watch this video and let's see what we see here. So asking for standard stuff. So page views as a line chart.
With the
Cool.
sequel below it, do you see that?
Yeah, that's really interesting. Asking for the total count. I love this, by the way. This is exactly how an interaction with analytics should be.
I knew you would like this.
I love it because what this does, right, is this mimics the conversation that you would normally have with whoever you're trying to get this data from, a marketing manager, whoever it is, right? That you would go to and be like, hey, can you tell me these things about this data, blah, blah, blah. And then you would get that instead of having to log into a thing and find the right tab and set the right filter, just ask it for the information. It's exactly how this data should be done.
Yeah, and I actually, in my previous life, we used a BI tool called Sisense, and it actually had this idea of insights. And in this case, every widget that was on a dashboard, you could actually right click and basically say generate insight. And it would go and do that AI just like this is doing.
Yeah.
Less conversational and more pre-planned and pre-structured, but still
Right.
extremely cool. But generally, I love this pattern of talking to UI and getting back not just text, but rich visualizations. And I think what's critically important is the code for that, so you can validate that it's actually getting what you want, which
Yep.
not everybody's going to do.
Yep.
But like, hey, before you tell your boss that there was 143,350, it's worth looking to check the math.
Yep.
So I love it.
Yep. It's really interesting. And also, by the way, this pattern, these the kind of informatics in cards inside of the chat, this is what I think the model is going to be for the new interaction of chat. And in fact, I think what you're looking at here potentially is the new model for how we consume everything on the internet eventually. Is this conversational mixed modal type of space where it happens inside of these conversational agents, not necessarily on a website.
I agree. That was
Really cool stuff. Really cool stuff. Yeah.
I know that was really insightful. I agree. All right. That's a fun one where AI mixes with UX, which is a perfect bet, perfect place for us. Thank you and have a
Absolutely.
nice day.